Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmund Mindaros, and for today's quick tutorial and I'm going to show you guys on how to resolve if OneDrive is experiencing a sign-in error code 0x8004de25 and Windows computer. So this error 0x8004de25 most often points to authentications issues where OneDrive is unable to authenticate your Microsoft account credentials. And common causes of the error include OneDrive settings corruptions, outdated app versions, or incompatibility with cache credentials, network issues, and incorrectly configured services. And without further ado, and let's go ahead. So the first solutions we will do is to clear cache credentials. So all you have to do is to open up on a search menu and then here at search for apps, and then you need to type control panel and then click open. And once you open up this control panel, and then we need to modify this view by, and then click this arrow and select category. And then next step, then you need to select user account and then click. So here at user accounts, and then you need to select credential manager and then click. So here at manage your credentials, so we have two options. Number one is web credentials and then Windows credentials. And then you need to select Windows credentials. And then once you select this Windows credentials, and then you need to find this generic credentials. Alright, so scroll down and find this generic credentials. So all you have to do is to find this OneDrive.server.com. Then we need to remove this server credentials. On how to remove this generic credentials OneDrive. So on right side, then you need to click this arrow. And then you can see here this removes options and then click. And then delete generic credentials and then click yes. Alright, so once you're done here at credential manager, and then we need to close. And the other solutions that we're going to do is to check network and firewall settings. So all you have to do is to open up again on a search menu. And then here at search for apps, and then you need to type again this control panel and then click open. And then once you open up this control panel, and here at category, and you need to select system and security and then click. In here at system and security, and then you need to select Windows Defender Firewall and then click. And then on left navigations pane, and then you need to select allow an app or feature through Windows Defender Firewall and then click. And on right side, then you can see here this allow apps to communicate through Windows Defender Firewall. And then you need to click this change settings and then click. And then once you click this change settings, and then here at allowed apps and features, and then you need to find this OneDrive. So scroll down and find this OneDrive. Alright. So once you find or locate already this OneDrive, and then select. And then here we have two options, this the private and public. So it should be check this box. So check this box, and also with this public, check this box. And then next click OK. Alright, so once you're done here at Windows Defender Firewall, and then we need to close at here at start menu, and then we need to restart this PC. Alright, so that's it guys on how to fix Microsoft OneDrive with the error code 0x8004de25 in Windows. And please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys, and see you in my next tutorial.